Hello everybody, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's a slightly different one today. Many of you know that I do like a bit of witchiness now and again, and I've discovered that some of the greatest artwork that's happening at the moment is happening on tarot decks. Now it's something that I'm learning, and this is a little treat. It's a Kickstarter that I've helped to fund, and it's called the Glimmer Walker Tarot. So let's pop this open and see what's happening inside. Let's use the other hand carefully because I'm not very good with my left. There we go, hopefully that's okay. Right. So this was funded during November and December 2024, and it just arrived today on the 6th of March. So I went for the small version of the tarot because I don't really get on with the massive ones, and it came with a couple of little goodies as well. So let's pull these out of the box. So the first goodie is a lovely little card bag. So let's just pop this open. Oh, it feels wonderful. Sort of a bit veloury, but there is the pattern on the bag, and you can see from the bag that it's a much smaller deck than your average tarot, but that's what I prefer, so that's what I went with. And then we have a couple of pieces of print work. So this is I'm going to guess the strength card based on it being a lion. And it's a little postcard from the Glimmer Walker Tarot there. So that is some beautiful artwork. I will tell you a little bit more about the artist shortly. So there is the strength card. I'm absolutely not sure what card this is from, and it doesn't say, but it's a beautiful bookmark. Look at that gorgeous image. Absolutely beautiful. It's also got a little bit of a glitter effect on it as well, so I'm not actually sure what's happening there, but I like it. I'm impressed. The Glimmer Walker Tarot. So, the Glimmer Walker Tarot, the little write-up about it says, the walker, glowing faintly, like each of us striving tirelessly in our small, powerful ways, we experience joy and sorrow, and we walk through struggles and hardships. At times we are brimming with energy, radiating bright and vibrant light. Other times we sink briefly into moments of melancholy, hiding like shadows in the corners to rest. All of this is part of our journey, a path of growth and self-discovery. And in the end, everything we endure will become the badges of honour on our journey. So, I mean, does that not tell you that you have to buy this? I mean, seriously. So, I'll just roll down and tell you a little bit more about the artist. Bear with me, it's right at the bottom after all of the information about the cards. So the artist on this is Lynn. She is a mysticism enthusiast, illustrator and visual designer. There is no AI content in this pack, and this is what's drawn me to it. There's too much AI available in the tarot world, the art world in general, and I really love that this is all straight out of her head. So It says, I take pride in sharing every part of the Glimmer Walker Tarot from concept to final illustration has been lovingly handcrafted by me. In this project there is absolutely no AI generated content. Each card is a product of her own creativity and vision, built with care to ensure authenticity and originality. As a designer and artist, I believe in the power of the human touch, and I hope you can feel the love and intention poured into every detail of this deck. Right, I'm going to pop this open off screen because it's a bit noisy. Right, so here we go. It has been printed and made in China. Unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be any links to Lynn's details, so I'm not exactly sure where she's from. But if I can, I will give a little bit more information in the details below. So this is the box. As you can see, it is a smaller version. And it's a nice little box. So let's just pop this open carefully, because I do like to keep things nice. And as much as I have got a little bag, I'm probably not going to use it because I like keeping them in boxes. It keeps them nice, it keeps them straight, it saves you getting any little bumps and bruises. So oh wow, there's little stars on the inside too. So we'll pull these out, and the Glimmer Walker image there as well. Slide off this slip. So that is the image on the back there. Absolutely gorgeous artwork. So Fearless is a special card that is only available for this tiny deck. Until I read up on it, I can't tell you very much about it. But once I know more, I will tell you more. So we'll pop that one to one side, and I'll give you a few. Oh, there seems to be another extra one. Wow. I knew about this one. I didn't know about this one. Excellent. Now the cardstock's very nice. It's quite thin, but that does make it easier for me shuffling. So that's something that I do like. And I'm just going to give you a little cut through some of these images. I will do a flip through at some point. As you can see there, it was the Strength card. Ooh, Justice is upside down. How strange. The Hanged Man. Let's flip over. There's the World. Ooh, little jellyfish. The Four of Light. The decks, the four houses are colour coded. So as you can see, all of the light are yellow. As you roll into the shadow, you've got the purples and blues. And a jellyfish. I do love a jellyfish. And the King of Shadow there on a large purple jellyfish. Then we're rolling into the Thunder deck, which is deep purple, with lots of beautiful yellow to offset. The Queen of Thunder there with all the little butterflies on a cloud. And then into the Fruit, which is essentially the Earth cards. And these are green. So like I say, I will do you a flip through so that you can see all of these gorgeous cards at some point. But it's very interesting to keep an eye on tarot decks. You are getting a minimum of 78 beautiful pieces of artwork. Keep an eye out for the AI Try to avoid it if you can, because humans come up with much more beauty than any computer can. Especially when you get two little specials as well. So there we have it, guys. We have the deck, the bookmark, the postcard, and the gorgeous little bag to keep it all in. I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me know if you're into tarot cards, and if you are, which ones have got some really cool artwork, because I do like to check those out. And until next time, have yourself a wonderful day, evening, afternoon or night, wherever you are. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.